Hi, this is the DOOGEE S61 Pro and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click to enable in settings and click here to the switch on your green Apple keyboard. Tap to OK twice and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now our process is finished and let's just check our new keyboard look. So for example here, we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.